Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a theme in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we just go into the top left corner, then tap on settings, then under the personal section at the very bottom we find the manage themes. If we tap on this, then we can delete a theme. For example, in the previous video I created theme 1, and if I tap on delete theme, I just have to enter the name here exactly how it is, and then I can just tap on delete theme and it's done. I can undo it right now if I did it by mistake. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.